In the heart of Baroda stands a university rooted in vision and community empowerment, the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. Through its Department of Extension and Communication, the university drives socially engaged action and inclusive development. This initiative is a part of an ICSSR funded research project on deaf livelihoods and inclusive entrepreneurship. In collaboration with National Career Service Center for Differently Abled Women under the Ministry of Labor and Employment, emerges Swa Shakti, a unique entrepreneurship training space for deaf women. Here, unused sewing machine and vacant spaces have been transformed into a vibrant micro-enterprise unit. Here, skills meet opportunity with real teaching assignments now being provided by Umang Foundation. Deaf women guided through Indian Sign Language now stitch not just fabric but futures filled with dignity and income. This is what a university led initiative can achieve when knowledge meets compassion. Swa Shakti reflects Gujarat inclusive growth model, empowering those often left behind through skill, structure, and support. Together, we stitch a future where every deaf woman can hear the sound of opportunity through her own hand.